Hey guys, so it's Mrs. Creeves. I just wanted to go over a couple things as we head into Unit 2. Some of you tested out last time of Unit 1, so you might not be familiar with how this goes for each unit. So I just want to reiterate it as we enter Unit 2. So here's what we see. As after this student here, this fake student, IVS student number 7, finishes their quiz. Okay, so the quiz is right here. See the check mark? I finished the quiz, I turned it in, I got a grade. After I take that quiz, which is kind of like the unit test, we call it a quiz, but it's the summation of the whole unit. So once that quiz is taken, then the next unit will pop up. Okay, so you'll see this video. I'm going to stick it right in here before the begin here lesson link. So the first thing you have to do as you enter Unit 2 is hit the begin here lesson link, and you need to take this pre-assessment. So this pre-assessment, like we did for Unit 1, is going to kind of determine what you need to review and what you already know. So we'll hit begin, and I'm just going to kind of skip through stuff. I'll put 567, submit, I don't know, this, we'll see. Okay, so I'm just going to skip it. Oh, look at that. Okay, see, this one said not attempted. This one I may have gotten right, but it didn't attempt or something. I don't know. So I didn't score so well. That's okay because maybe I didn't know it, and plus you saw me do it in 2 seconds, so that's not good. So here's my learning path. These are the units that I personally need to complete before I can move on. So here's what we're going to do. You are going to have to send me a screenshot so then I know that you're prepared to move on. Your screenshot should be the unit map, and it should have there should be check marks by both of these things. Once you have check marks by both of these things in the unit map, you want to take a screenshot of this right here. You want to send it to me. You want to make sure your name's on it. You want to make sure you tell me which unit it is. Include that it's like unit 2 here. It's named something different inside the system, but make sure that you get, lesson 2.1 up at the top. Send me this screenshot with the checks into the Dropbox. I'm going to create a Dropbox for it. Once that goes through the Dropbox, then you will be able to access 2.2, which is the tutor simulation, where you go through that, and that is like a 5-point grade. So don't rush through it. I want you to do it right. Once you finish the tutor sim, then whatever unit project I have set up will be put together there. And or if there's a review or a worksheet that I came up with or something, that'll be in here, but it's not quite ready just yet. And then once you've hit that into the Dropbox, then the quiz will show up. We've got to focus on going in order, and I know that you guys get really excited about things and you want to get done, but I have to make sure that we kind of go in that direct order so that everything gets done, and I don't have to keep emailing you back and forth saying, hey, you forgot to do this or you forgot to do that. So I'm going to get this set up for you because I know some of you are going to want to get on this weekend. But if you have any questions, give me a holler. If not, that's how we need to roll. All right, you guys, thanks so much.